myself Shweta, clinical instructor from RPMS Bastara Karnal. We are studying physiological changes during pregnancy and we are studying urinary system. In urinary system, increased blood supply to kidney and urinary tract, increase in size of kidney by 1 centimeter and dilatation of uterus and renal pelvis occur. In later pregnancy, uterus compresses the ureter at the pelvic brim, causing swallowing of the urinary flow. Increase in urine output, small changes in tubular reabsorption increases. Increased frequency of maturation is noticed at 6 to 8 weeks of pregnancy, which subsides after 12 weeks. Stress incontinence may occur due to urethral sphincter weaknesses. In digestive system, nausea, vomiting occur most commonly in early pregnancy. Muscle tone and motility of entire GI tract decreases due to high progesterone level. Decreased gastric secretion, increased gastric emptying time. Increased relaxation of smooth muscles and water absorption in colon leads to constipation, which is very common in pregnancy. Nervous system, anxiety, increased mood liability, vivid nightmares, food weights, and insomnia commonly occur. More prone to compression of distal nerves because of the increase in fluid, which can cause carpal tunnel syndrome. Body weight gain in first 20 weeks of pregnancy is small, 0 to 2 kgs only, and it then increase to 1 kg per month to 30 weeks, and then increase to 1 kg per fortnight between 30 to 40 weeks. As you can see, physiological changes in pregnancy: increased blood volume, breast changes can occur, fetus placenta weights, which including fat depositions in the area and extracellular weight fluid. The total weight gain during the course of pregnancy for women average is 10 to 12 kgs. Weight distribution: breast 0 to 0.5 kgs, fetus 3.3 kgs, blood volume 1 to 2 kgs, placenta 0.6 kgs, amniotic fluid 0.8 kgs, uterus 0.9 kgs, and fat deposition 4 kgs. Extracellular fluid is 1.2 kgs. Musculoskeletal system: generalized increase in joint laxity. The muscles of the abdominal wall adapt to increasing fetal growth with stretching of muscle fibers. Maternal COG shift posteriorly to accommodate the increase in abdominal sign. This reduces stability and may result in wadding gait. Woman usually walks with wider base of support. Back pain is a common symptom in pregnancy. Thoracic and lumbar curves increase. Upper back become rounded with scapular protraction. Tightness of pectoris muscles and scapular muscles weakness. Cervical lordosis increased, which leads to forward head posture. Many women experience painful muscle cramps during the pregnancy, mainly in the lower limbs. All spinal curvatures are increased. Head shift forward, chin tucks in, cervical lordosis, thoracic kyphosis, lumbar lordosis, locked knee joints, center of gravity shift forwards, increased anterior tilt of the pelvis, enlarged belly which could weigh up to 25 to 30 pounds, enlarged heavy breast, constricted ribs cage. These are normal physiological changes and aspect to the musculoskeletal system. Now I have taken this references from the physiotherapy in obstetrics and gynae, and I will end this YouTube video here, and please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel RPRT Academics. Thank you so much for watching.